Say hello to my new baby. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. Before I get into it, let's throw in a quick startup and acceleration clip. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. This guy gets it, he's subscribed. Are you? As you heard, it has an upgraded exhaust. It sounds pretty good, you know, a lot better than stock for sure. And it has a bunch of other mods. It has tank grips, frame sliders, LED turn signals, swing arm sliders, swing arm spools, tank pad, fork sliders, short levers, adjusted rear sets, chain guard. So basically all the mods that I probably would have done anyways. Alright, so more about the purchase details of the bike. So it is a 2019 Yamaha R3 with ABS in vivid white. It had 1900 miles, stacked with a bunch of mods. MSRP was $5,300. I bought it from someone on Craigslist for $4,600 cash. I think it was a pretty good deal. Let me know what you think. You know, did I get a good deal for what I paid for it? Keep in mind, I bought this back in 2020, and by the time you're seeing this, it's 2021, so. And this was actually my first time ever buying anything on Craigslist. So yeah, I was pretty nervous starting off dropping a few grand on my first ever Craigslist purchase. I'm thinking about making a separate video for buying and negotiating on Craigslist for anyone else that's nervous about it. I'll link that video if and when I put that video out. But this was a pretty smooth transaction. The guy I bought it from was a pretty nice guy. He definitely cared about the bike. I mean, just look at this owner's manual. And highlights and tab markers everywhere. But most importantly, he was honest. He had an opportunity to lie and try to pull a fast one on me, but he didn't. I'll talk more about that in my Craigslist video, so check that out. Alright, so why did I pick a Yamaha R3? I'll just show you. Long story short, I grew up around a Yamaha, but yeah, this was a bike that got me into motorcycles. My uncle's Champion Edition R1. But yeah, everyone goes different routes for first bike. So if you're watching, you know, what first bike did you get or thinking about getting? Let me know in the comments. My uncle and I already went on a short, easy ride together. Hopefully we'll go on more rides in the future and more videos will follow. So consider subscribing. We also want to take it to the track. Laguna Seca is actually nearby, so I mean that makes for some good times for sure. We'll see if I can keep up. That is pretty much it for today's video. The next video that will come out will either be me talking about my first ever ride, which was an interesting one because it was pouring rain and I almost ran out of gas, sort of. Or, you know, me talking about my Craigslist experience. Also, if you like the beats in this video, check out NC Beats. Shout out to him for always supplying the fire. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and catch you next time. Peace.